everyone, Alanis here with Blushington, and today I want to show you how I perfect my wing liner in the quickest, simplest way. These are my tips on how to get the sharpest wing in the quickest amount of time with no mess ups. So if you want to learn how to perfect your wing, then just keep on watching. So a nice little trick to make sure that you have a nice guide for your liner is to make sure that your eyeshadow is sharpened out. So when using gel liner, I like to use a super thin pencil liner brush like this, and then once I have the product, I like to swirl my brush in there. That way you get a really nice tapered and thin edge and there's not too much product around it. It's nice and evenly spread. You're going to want to anchor your pinky on your cheek and then just flick a line from the outer corner of your eye towards your eyebrow. Go ahead and start on your lash line and create a small little triangle, and then from there you can fill in that triangle. So once you're doing the line that follows your lash line, you're going to want to press the brush towards your lashes and look down on a mirror, and that way you can kind of stamp the brush through your lash line. And if your liner isn't perfectly sharp, no problem, you can take some concealer and sharpen it out with your brush. And this is my final winged liner using gel. So now I'm going in with my STILA Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. Literally flip your wrist and rest your hand on your cheek. And then proceed to fill it in. And once again, just press down on your lashes and stamp the felt tip onto your lid. And this is what your wings should look like once you are finished. And that is it, you guys. So quick, so simple, and so sharp. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.